Well, I'm coming out of Shakoa Gap, and I'm up on the other side of the mountain. Way up there was the mountain I climbed. You can see the white. That's the snow that I went through last night to stay on the side of that mountain. The people were nice. I had I said it before, it was pulled chicken barbecue, and I had a hot dog and a nice hot cup of coffee. The sun just came out. These are high tension lines above me. It's a beautiful view, and there's snow on that mountain. It's a lot of ways down and a long ways back up. Over that ridge somewhere is Jacob's Ladder. I'll see you, my friends.